This is not a recipe tutorial, but a kitchen experiment. I followed the Bistek Tagalog recipe of a famous chef. He says to use 1 kilo of meat, but I opted to go for 300 grams of pork because I'm not feeding a party. I season it with salt, black pepper, and then paprika, which will give it a smoky flavor. I gently massage the meat so that all the seasoning will seep into it. And then I have set it aside. In a separate container, I placed 1/4 cup of calamansi juice and the same volume of soy sauce. Then I heated oil in a pan and added butter, about 1 tablespoon. I added half a bulb of onion into the pan and sauteed it until soft. Sauteing releases the flavor of the onion into the fat and likewise intensifies the sweetness of the onions. While the onions are still firm but somewhat translucent, I got all of them out so I can pan fry my meat. I lay the meat into the pan as flat as possible and I didn't overcrowd it so that it cooks evenly. Now let's add the calamansi and soy sauce mixture. I am wondering what is the difference between Bistek Tagalog and carne frita. And while I am doing this now, I realize how similar these two dishes are. Are they actually the same? Is carne frita and Bistek Tagalog just a version of each other, and it's a matter of just names, depending on the region where you're coming from? Really, Philippine cuisine is a wonder. I added a tablespoon of sugar just to balance out the saltiness of the dish, and then mix it for one last time. Then I returned the onions on top, covered it to fully cook the onions. I enjoy the dish with steaming hot plain rice. Thank you for watching. Kaunta. And remember,